So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to open a verified and working Payoneer account, especially for people who are in Nigeria. Now, one of the major challenges my people or people that are in this part of the world have is being able to receive their funds. People who work with international clients, people who work online, or affiliate marketers. Now, that is a major challenge they have, and some of them go as far as having a middle person who helps them receive these funds before they eventually send it down to them. And in most cases, the person who received the money would always cut your money down. Now, that is why I want to teach you how to open a Payoneer account, because Payoneer is like your best option to use to receive your money from any part of the world, because it provides you with different account details from all parts of the world. You can get a dollar account, you can get a British pound account, you can get a euro account, you can get a Canadian dollar account. In fact, any account that you want, depending on where your client is paying from. And the good thing is that this money, you can actually withdraw it down to your Nigerian account. So you just withdraw it direct. You don't even need a third party and all that. So I'll urge you to sit back, relax, and watch this video, and please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when I post videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And share this video, of course. And I'd also like to hear your opinions in the comment section. If you have something you want me to talk about, please do well to drop it there. All right, let's get right to it. This is my dashboard, and you can see my balances. I guess more money. So from my balance, you can see I have $172.36. That's what I have on my USD balance. Now you can see I have a euro balance and I have a British pounds balance. Now if I work with international clients and they need my account details, what I can do, if it's my dollar account details, US dollar they need, I'll just go to these three dots here and click. You see receiving accounts. Once I click on receiving accounts, just allow it to load for a bit. My internet is a little bit sluggish today. Okay, fine, came up early. So now if I just go to this place and click, you see view details. Now this is my USD account. You see everything: account number, account type, routing number, bank name, and all that. So this is my USD account details. So I just copy this information here and send it to the client. Now the same thing applies. I can always go to this place, other side. If I click here, I can change from USD to British pounds, and you see if I click here, view details, this is my British pounds account details. Well, you can decide to copy the account details and send me money. I'll gladly receive it. Thank you. So this is how what it looks like, and so there's so many options, so many things you can do with this. Let me show you another thing you can also do with this. On the same place, you can actually, the same options you have here, you have it here, you have it also here. So now another thing you can do with it is that you can check your USD transactions or your USD transactions. You can check your monthly statement and you can convert. So this USD right here, I can actually convert it to euro and it will still reflect in this balance, or I'll convert it to British pounds. Now depending on the kind of payment I want to make, let's say I want to make payment to somewhere or to someone and I need to pay it in euro, so I can convert my USD balance to euro or to British pounds, depending on what I want to, the payment I want to make. Now it also gives you an option of having a Payoneer MasterCard. Now this MasterCard, just this option, if you want to request for a Payoneer MasterCard, you just click on this option, and there are terms and conditions, and there is a certain amount you need to have transacted on your Payoneer account before you'll be able to request for a Payoneer card. Okay, and with this Payoneer MasterCard, you can make payments to any, you can use it to buy things or make payments to any platform all over the world. All right, so you can see my payouts. Okay, so these are TikTok payouts. Yeah, you can always link up your TikTok account with your Payoneer account. So like there's platforms that actually pay direct to Payoneer. All you just need to do is log in your Payoneer account on the platform and they pay you directly. Platforms like Fiverr, platforms like Upwork, they pay direct to your Payoneer once you just sign up with your Payoneer login on them. Now then some actually requests for account details. That is where you now come here and ask for receiving accounts. Okay, so you can see I'm also going to make a video because a lot of people who are in Nigeria, they don't know how to link a Payoneer account to their TikTok account because that option is not visible. But I'm going to show you people in a subsequent video how to, you know, make that work. All right, because the only option you have there is PayPal, and PayPal is not 100% approved, although there's a way you can open a working PayPal account which you can use to send and receive money in Nigeria. So this is another good reason why you should subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to make videos on how to get that done. All right, so let's get right into showing you how to open a Payoneer account. And there's a whole lot you can do with the Payoneer account. So you can actually just go to www.payoneer.com to open a Payoneer account, but then you'll be missing out on something. So that's the reason why I'm going to be leaving a link on the description of this video, which you're going to click on, and once you click on that link to open a Payoneer account, you'll be getting $25 for signing up on Payoneer. Okay, so this is what you get. Now this is what you see if you open through the link. You see sign up and earn $25. So it's a good reason why you should go to the description and, you know, claim your own $25. But there are terms and conditions, so you need to have received a certain amount of money through your Payoneer. Like you need to have used your Payoneer to receive money, and before they would give you the $25. Nothing is actually free like that. So let's go right straight up to signing up. Let's see how it goes. So we're going to sign up, and so the first thing you're going to see here is let's find the right account for you for your needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. So I am a freelancer, small business, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual. Now the best type of account will go for is a freelancer. This is more flexible and you don't get to do a lot of verifications. Individual will not really allow you to receive money. They don't encourage that like that. So what you go for is a freelancer and small business. So you click on this. You see it said get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive payments, global payments. Yes, you click. Now okay, the right account for you is freelancer, agency or service provider. Now you register. You click on register. So once you click on register, you allow that to open. My internet is a little bit sluggish, I'm sorry. So now here we go. So here are the information. Select your type of business. You have individual. My business isn't registered. Company includes sole proprietorship, blah 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 blah. So you click on individual. So then you're going to input your first name, your last name, your email address, and you re-enter your email address and your date of birth. So once you have all this filled out, you now click on next and you allow it to load. So the next page on the form is your nationality. Now you don't need VPN or anything. Your country is Nigeria. You know, you input your street address and your town, your city, town, and also your postal zip code. Now your postal zip code, you can easily go to Google and, you know, request your zip code, and you just put your location and you request for your zip code. Let's say you're in Lekki, just write Lekki zip code, and it's going to bring it out for you. And once you have that done, I don't know what's wrong with my connection today, it's quite slow, but then you see, so you just copy any of them and, you know, you just put it in there. So just copy it and you know, go over to your zip code and paste it. So input your street address, your phone number, then a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Okay, so let me just quickly fill this up. So once you've gotten the code, after filling out everything, you just click on next. The code is sent to your phone number, so you need to have the phone handy, and you're going to get a text message. And here is the part, the security details. You're going to input your password, your password, a security question. All this you must need to have in your head. So in which city was your grandmother born, in which city was your first elementary school, you know. So all these security questions, you just pick one out of it and look for a suitable security answer. Then down here you're going to input your ID details. So you have options of, okay, you're a Nigerian, so you're going to pick one of the options you have there. You have the national ID, you have a driver's license, and your passport. So you can easily use your NIN, you know, number for your national ID or your driver's license, whichever one you have. So in this case, I'm going to use the person's national ID. So let me go ahead and fill out all these informations, and I'll be right back. You're almost done. So now you have your is a personal account, so you add your bank account for withdrawals that belong to you or your company. So you have here you have bank country Nigeria, currency NGN. Now if you have a domiciliary account, it's better for you. If you have a domiciliary account, you just click on USD account, and you pick the bank that where you have the USD account. You can go for UBA. Most people use UBA, but then just it's actually easy to create a USD or a domiciliary account. So you just walk into a bank and request for a domiciliary account. But then if you don't have a USD account, you can just input a normal bank account. Okay, so you have everything here. So let's say for this person, I don't think he doesn't have a USD account, so I'm going to put a Nigerian account. So, and always ensure that the name on your Payoneer account is exactly the same as the name on your bank account details. Otherwise your money will be stuck. You won't be able to withdraw it until you get an account that tallies with your Payoneer account name. Now after filling all this information, you agree with the terms and conditions, and you just go forward to submit. And once you've clicked on submit, you allow it to load, and you're going to see what comes up next. So here you are. You see, congratulations, your Payoneer account has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. I want the Payoneer card, application completed, review process. Review process takes quite a while, and you'll receive an email within the next several business days. Sometimes immediately you're going to receive it. Okay, so once you are approved, you'll be able to receive payments. Now let's go and check our email and see what we have there. Moving over to your email, you're going to get 3 mails from Payoneer. The first will be your email verification mail, of course, and the second one will be your account being under review mail. Now, which is going to tell you that the review is going to take maybe like between 3 to 7 working days, but in most cases these approvals come almost immediately. Okay, so the third mail you're supposed to expect is the account approval email. Now in this case, you notice that the email verification mail came around 9:46. The second one came around 9:47. That's the account under review mail. And guess what? The approval email came around 9:51. So it came almost immediately. So but then they normally tell you it takes 3 days to 7 days. So depending on your own timing or when you opened yours, I don't know, but most times, and all the ones I've opened, they all came like almost immediately. So with all this being done, you're going to get a dashboard like this. Make sure you remember your security question, make sure you remember your password, and make sure you're using a working mobile phone, because they're going to be sending verifications to that for you to be able to log in. And once you have that, you're going to get a dashboard looking like that. And for a start, you're going to get a USD, a Euro, and a British pounds account. And as you use Payoneer and you start receiving funds, the more you'll be more open to getting more accounts from other locations. Okay, that's how it works. So if this video was helpful in any way, please do well to hit the like button. Of course, subscribe to this channel so that you help us grow, and turn on the notification button so that whenever we post videos like this, you'll be the first to be informed. And of course, I would like to hear your opinions in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. If you have suggestions, if you want me to talk about, if there's some things you want me to talk about, also you can talk about it in the comment section, and I'll always respond to you. And make sure you share this video to other people so that we can go viral. Support this brand, and thank you so much for your time, and have a lovely day.